Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to have our lecture number 2 from our English subject. Before I start my lecture, I would like to explain that English as a subject has been divided into two main parts: English literature and English language. English literature is actually a text reading, like all the reading, paragraph reading, story reading, जो भी हम paragraph reading या story reading करते हैं वो it's part of English literature. और उस reading से regarding जितना काम होगा, like complete the sentences and make sentences, matching and all the question answer is part of English literature. English language tells us about all the grammar rules, like nouns, describing words, doing words, naming words, and all the creative work like essays, applications, singular plurals is all the part of English language. In our OP book, in each chapter we have and each lesson we have different parts of English literature and English language. So as long we move on with each lesson, I will tell you that this is a part of English literature or this is a part of English language. So today we are going to start our lecture. Unit number 1 from our OP book, lesson number 4, sentences. So first of all, let me explain what are sentences. Sentences होते क्या हैं? A set of words that is complete in itself. Okay? ऐसे अल्फाज से बात करना जिससे आपकी बात कंप्लीट हो जाए, उसको क्या कहेंगे? एक कंप्लीट सेंटेंस, जिसमें आपकी एक बात कंप्लीट हो जाए वो क्या कहलाएगी? एक सेंटेंस कहलाएगा, अ कंप्लीट सेंटेंस. So in part A we will use the words she, he, they and it to complete these sentences. So first of all let me explain what is she, he, they and it. ये है क्या? These are in grammar terms they are called pronouns. They are called pronouns. ये noun की जगह यूज़ होते हैं. Like Ali standing up. Ali standing up की जगह हम क्या कह सकते हैं? We can say he standing up. Like Sarah is reading a book, तो हम उसकी जगह क्या कह सकते हैं? She is reading a book. So she क्या है यहाँ पर? Single girl और woman के लिए यूज़ होगा. He a single boy and a man यूज़ होगा. They more than one people, एक से ज़्यादा लोग होंगे तो they यूज़ करेंगे. And it for animals and non-living things like pencil, table, इन चीज़ों के लिए हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे? It. So look at now sentence number 1. Dash are playing with the ball. It's more than one girl, so they are playing with the ball. Number 2, it is running. Who is running? Dog is running. So dog के लिए हम animals के लिए क्या यूज़ करेंगे? It. So it is running. Now look at sentence number 3. Dash are reading books. It's more than one people. So more than one के लिए क्या यूज़ होगा? They are reading books. Dash is dancing. Who is dancing? One girl is dancing. So she is dancing. Number 5. He is mending a cup. Who is mending a cup? A man. So a single man, he is mending a cup. Now number 6, Dash is sitting down. Who is sitting down? A cat. So animals के लिए क्या यूज़ होगा? It. So it is sitting down. Now move on to part B. Now complete these sentences. Now we have to complete these sentences looking at the words used for the nouns. Okay. Now we don't have the pictures. हमारे पास pictures नहीं हैं. हमने words को देखना है कि singular है या plural है. उसके accordingly हमने it, he, she, they use करना है. Okay. Now look at sentence number 1. Dash is a dog. So animals के लिए हम क्या use करते हैं? It. So it is a dog. Dash is a man. So man, single person, he is a man. Dash is a girl, single girl, she is a girl. Dash are boys, boys. अब एक से ज़्यादा लड़कों की बात हो रही है तो हम यहाँ क्या यूज़ करेंगे? They are boys. Dash is a cat, cat की बात हो रही है. Animal, so it is a cat. Dash is a boy, one single boy, so he is a boy. Dash is a woman, one single woman, so she is a woman. Okay, now we'll move on to part C. Write your name, begin it with a capital letter. Let's say if your name is Fatima, so you will write the first letter capital and all other letters are small letters, like F is capital and ATIM are small letters. That's how you write your name. Whenever you will write your name, आपके नाम का पहला letter जो होगा, जो first letter होगा, it's always capital. Okay, and then also use of capital letter is also a part of our English language. Now look at part D. Match the small letters to the capital letters. It's a very simple activity. You have learned this in the very beginning in your nursery class, small letters and capital letters. So look at this. This is small a, this is the capital A. This is small b, this is a capital B. Small f, capital F. This is a small d, this is a capital T. This is a small m, this is the capital M, this is small s, and this is a capital S. And use of capital letter, I already told you, this is a part of our language, English language. Now look at this party. Now use capital letters to complete these names. So whose name? Names from Fiza's family. Okay, like Ali. So Ali, first letter is capital. पहला letter क्या होगा? Name का capital. And who is Ali? Remember from the reading? Ali is Fiza's brother. Now look at number 1. Dash I double F. So Biff. Biff, Fiza's teddy bear. So its name was Biff. So first letter is capital. Number 2. Dash IZA FIZA. Fiza. Fiza's first letter is capital. Now number 3. Dash ARA Sara. So first letter is capital SARA Sara. Now look at number 4. DADDY Daddy. So Daddy, D is supposed to be capital. And now look at number 5. So only who is left? We have Ali, we have Biff, we have Fiza, we have Sara, we have Daddy. So only the mummy is left. So look at this. MUMMY, mummy. So this is, the first letter is capital. Okay, I hope you understand. Today we learned about the pronouns he, she, it and they, and also the use of capital letters.